Negative indices. To understand the negative indices, let's do the following example. A to the power 2 divided by a to the power 5. Let's write a to the power 2 over the line, a to the power 5 below the line. A to the power 2 over the line, let's write as repeated multiplication. A to the power 5 below the line, let's write as repeated multiplication. Now cancel over the line and below the line. Over the line remain in 1, below the line remain in a to the power 3. Let's take this equation as first equation. According to the indices rule 2, it means division rule, we can repeat the sum as following. A to the power 2 divided by a to the power 5. Let's remind the indices division rule. When powers with the same base are divided, the index of the divisor is subtracted from the index of the dividend. The base remains the same, right? A, here index is 2, then subtract 5 from this 2. A to the power minus 3. Let's name this equation as 2. The simplification of first one and second one must be equal. So we can write it like this. 1 over a to the power 3 equal a to the power minus 3. The index of the power of the denominator, this is the denominator, right? Changes signs when it comes to the numerator. Now it's brought to the numerator, it's become minus index. 1 over a to the power 3 become a to the power minus 3 when it's brought it to the numerator. Instead of index 3, we can write any value 1 over a to the power n equal a to the power minus n. This is the indices rule 5, negative rule. We can write this way also. A to the power minus n equals. We can write 1 over a to the power n. When it is as a negative index, we can write it as a positive index. Now here denominator is positive, we can write it as negative. Now here numerator minus n here, we can write it as positive. We can borrow a to the power minus n below the line as denominator. These are the rules, negative rules of the indices. We can combine like this, a to the power minus m, a to the power minus n. We can write this as positive indices. So how can we write? We can take this negative index in the numerator, a to the power minus m below the line. Then it's become positive index, a to the power m. Now here negative index in the denominator get moved to the numerator. Then a to the power n. It's also become positive index. By using the negative indices rule, let's do the following sums. 3 to the power minus 2. We can write this 3 to the power minus 2 as positive indices. 1 over 3 to the power 2. Then 1 over the line 3 to the power 2 as repeated multiplication. 3 times 3. 1 over 3 times 3, 9. 1 over 5 to the power minus 2. Let's write 5 to the power minus 2 as positive index by moving into the numerator. Then it became positive. 5 to the power 2. Let's write 5 as repeated multiplication. 5 times 5, 25. Simplify and write the answers in positive indices. A is the base here. Then in between multiplication, same bases are there. Then we can add the indices. -2 plus -3. Then we can write the answer a to the power -5. Let's write it as positive indices, so you have to take below the line. Then write a to the power -5 as denominator. Then a to the power 5. 2a to the power -4, 3a to the power 2. First, you can multiply the numerical value. 2 times 3, 6. A to the power -4 and a to the power +2. Same bases in between multiplication, so you can add the indices. 6, a to the power. Different signs are there, so you have to subtract. -2. Then just take the a to the power -2 below the line to convert it to positive index. 6 over a to the power 2.